When the stars were gone, in a mighty aeroplane flew a boy in search of fame. Far across the vast main, like a bird on high, out to do or die on his journey over there. Many million hearts beat for him, and the whole world said a prayer for Lindbergh. Oh, what a plan! His name will live in history. Over the ocean he flew all alone, gambling with fate and with dangers unknown. Others may make that trip across the sea upon some future day. But take your hats off to plucky, lucky Lindbergh, Seagull of the USA. Through the day and the night, on his famous flight, Lindy stuck right to his post as he flew from coast to coast, making good his early boast. In the far-off west, one he loved the best said a prayer to God above, and she guided him and helped him with a mother's one love. For Lindbergh, oh what a life was he. Lindbergh, his name will live in history. Over the ocean, through all alone.